Alright guys, so I was at the grocery store and this was in the health area because it is, take a look at this, it is gluten free. So, people always ask me for snacks and, well, this is gluten free, so here is the ingredients. And to keep it, there is what's inside there. It does have nitrates, so you just want to be careful. You don't want too many of those things, as it's not the greatest, but this is gluten-free. And let's open this up and just do a quick taste test. Alright, there it is. It's soft, tastes like any other beef jerky. It is a little bit more on a, almost on a drier side, so that's something to note. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below and subscribe to the channel.